everyone, welcome to the video. And today I launched this React the portfolio template for the people who don't have time or who need a portfolio quick. So you don't need to start from scratch. You can use this template, and there are different customizers that you can do to this, and you can just deploy on your personal domain that you have purchased or your GitHub pages, and add to the resume and showcase your work to the recruiter. There are different features that I added, which is a dark mode, which is this website is a complete responsive, which I did with the Tailwind CSS. So if you can see it's a complete responsive. So this is for the very small mobile screens. This is some medium level mobile screens, and for the tablet view, this is a home box, and yeah, like you can see that. This is the project section. I just I don't want to add any project over here, because if you have a project, you can just copy the component of the project card, and you can just paste and just customize according to that. You can add the image here. You can add the description of that project, live link, and the GitHub link. So these are the something that you have to add. So this is a complete responsive that we have dark mode. And for the blocks, I try to implement the Hashnode API, but due to some API documentation changes that the Hashnode team recently did, so right now this content that you are showing, that we are viewing on the blog, which is coming from the just temporary JSON data that we have configured with our React application. But I'm trying to just fixing the React API hash node, so we can just showcase our blocks. And if we don't have hash node account, just go and create and write some blocks here, because in future we are going to implement that. So it's simple that some we have env environments, some we have to add that. So that's it. And the project section that we already talked about, you have to add images and customize according to that. For the YouTube, it's your choice. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can just remove this route as well. And if you have a YouTube channel, we can add the API or from the Google APIs, and then we can fetch our videos display according to that. Right now, I simply use the iframe tag and just copy paste the videos over here, which is not a good practice, but we are figuring out to implement that API and just display it on there. So yeah, this is a free template that you can use. You can customize, and how you can do that. Here is a complete guide uh, on the React portfolio template. You can see I recently did some changes to the repo. So if you have any idea or you want to implement the Hashnode API feature, or some search feature for the blocks, or any idea, you can suggest the issue over here, and we can figure out how we can add that. So here is a React portfolio template, all the features that I included and all the technology that I use, how you can set up, how you can close this repository, how you can set up, all the instructions are here, usage, future enhancements. So you can go just through this link. I will add into the video descriptions. Read properly, and you will set up the local environment. And once you run the app in locally, which is very simple, you have to just install all the dependencies. You have to run npm run there, and the application will be live at localhost 5173, which is wait configuration. So that's the simple and easy stuff. Anyone who knows the basics of React and npm. So yeah, like these are this template that I want to share for the people who are just beginner, or who are looking to build their first portfolio. So you don't need to start from very scratch. You can use this template and customize according to that. For this, you need some Tailwind knowledge as well. But if you don't know how to use Tailwind, you can just reconfigure according to that. Just you have to remove the Tailwind classes and Tailwind configured files. So that's it. So yeah, that's the thing that I want to share. If anyone interested to take this React portfolio template to the next level from the contribution, you can happy to just visit here, and you can just create some issues and do some configurations here. What are the changes that you have, and we will fix that. So thanks, and we'll catch up in the next video.